everyone, it is new video tutorial for today. For today makeup I want to do some rosy, little bit olive, a little bit of duotone colors, and it will be pretty simple blending, but it will be very interesting, some duotone colors. So let us do not spend time and start. So this is by fact result of makeup which we will do today, and first of all I will apply my eyeshadow base from Artdeco, and I will work with Huda Beauty palette, remastered rose gold mostly, and let's start. And the basic color will be a Risk. It's like rich purple rosish color with which I build all my form. After, with a synthetic brush, I apply a glitter base from my inner corner. I grab Inglot eyeshadows in beautiful rosy goldish color. It's number 86, and with a big flat brush I pack central part and only leave this inner corner for another pigment. Same brush in inner corner, I apply like a holographic starlights from Makeup Forever. It was a limited edition, but I think that you can find in another brand such same color. And it's important I didn't cover this rosy color. Be careful, because every color you apply should be visible. And now, when all these shimmering duotones colors apply, you can add this black color to intensify your makeup. And I will mix bisque color with the black color from same palette and just intensify my crease line. So when I blend all edges, I grab a black pencil and fill my waterline. And again I'm back to this rosy color to touch edges and soft it down. And to add this beautiful yellowish inner corner, I grab my favorite gel, yellow gel in number 84 from Inglot, and just add it in inner corner and blend it. And over it I fix it with a goldish color name 24K from same palette. I decide to drop down this lower lid more to intensify sides of my eye and to make everything look more balanced. Here by the fact the final look, and you see how pinkish and duotone, duochrome it is. I add a little bit of highlighter, a little refresh my foundation because it was from Morning by fact, and I hope that you will like this look. It's not like everyday nudish, but for girls who like the color and who want to do more simple duotone color, it's a really nice look. I always call it simple because for me everything just in eyeshadows is really simple, because mostly I work or in pencil technique or with gels, with some cream colors. That's why only eyeshadows is for me like really simple, but okay. If for someone this makeup will help, I will be happy, and write your comments under. Hope you like this look, and again, it's just bright and duotone. So thank you for watching, subscribing, comments, everything. For every feedback you give to me, I'm really happy to see that people watch these videos and leave their comments. And try tag me in Instagram and just write me, do you like it or not? Okay, thank you for watching, and bye bye.